good morning, guys. This is Praful Kulkarni. Welcome back to Alpha Leo. Thanks for joining in. And today is 1st of June, where the third phase of peak margins are getting rolled out. Because of which I didn't take the position up until 9:40. मेरा position usually मैं 9:17 के अंदर में ले लेता हूँ market open होते ही. But today I waited for a long time to take the trades and I took the trades at 9:40. All right. The first two clips were not recorded because मैंने microphone connect करना भूल गया था. In the first two clips, I explained why I'm not taking the trades, so I'm gonna go through it again. So the first thing why I didn't take the trades is when the markets are at an all-time high, so we are in an untested territory. हमें पता नहीं कि resistance कहाँ आ सकता है, कहाँ से sellers आ सकते हैं, या whether it's gonna trigger some further short covering rally. That is first thing. The second thing is, even though there is lesser supply in terms of option sellers, the premiums are not that attractive. Premiums ऐसे ऊपर गया नहीं है. That is the second reason. And the third reason is today 75% of the peak margins are getting rolled out and we don't know how premiums are behaving. Because of all three reasons, I took the position almost 30 minutes after the markets opened and we are currently sitting on a 3-point profit. तो आप पूछ सकते हैं कि आज मैंने कोई hedges रखा नहीं है. Why? The reason for that is I just want to test the markets today. आज सिर्फ मैं markets को test करने वाला हूं in terms of how the premiums are behaving, in terms of how the premiums are moving. तो अभी मैं क्या करूंगा? So I'll remove this. ठीक है? So now once the day's low is breached, I'm still expecting some amount of profit booking that might trigger at any given point of time. So because of which I'll be keeping the exit orders ready. तो जैसे ये 36, 37 के आसपास 37, 38 के आसपास चला जाता है, so I might look at closing this position altogether. तो आज का जो मेरा मोटो है, not to make the profits, just to observe the markets and the premium behavior. So that will be the only motto for today. उसके अलावा मेरा कुछ मोटो नहीं रहेगा. अगर मैं एक बार ट्रेड एग्जिट भी कर दूंगा, then I'll be entering the trades with very minimum quantity. काफी minimum quantity के साथ मैं एग्जिट करने का ट्राई करूंगा. And yeah. So that's about it, and we have captured close to 3 points of decay on the sizing. मैं सिर्फ 20 lots ही मतलब मैंने trade किया है, and I've not bought the hedges because already मैंने कल another 20 lakhs मैंने account में डाल दिया है, because of which I can easily take this position without even spending anything on hedges. तो अगर आपका funds में naked ही strangle या straddle short कर सकते हैं, तो then why bother spending any more money on the hedges, right? And I don't want to take higher quantities. अगर मैं hedges बना के ले सकता था तो obviously मैं 5,000, 4,500, 5,000 quantity तक मैं ले सकता था. But I've kept it really small because today one day, like I want to test the markets, like how the markets are behaving. All right, guys. मैंने intraday positions मैंने close किया है. That's because of a reason. So the market's looking very weak and we might look at a profit booking, and I'm expecting the markets to come at least like 550 levels. क्योंकि there has been the reason behind this is open interest. अभी क्या सीन है? I'll explain like what the logic of the option writers is. तो अभी निफ्टी का मैं open interest दिखा रहा हूँ. So there has been a lot of short straddles that were built around 15,500 levels. बट काफी लोग, थोड़ा बहुत लोग मतलब जो वीक हैंड से who couldn't take the minimum pain also, they unwinded their positions at 15,500 calls and they shifted it to 15,600 levels now. तो अभी सीन क्या होगा? The other people like who have written like who have held on to these 15,500 short straddle, so they have this day, मतलब सिर्फ आज को वो लोग अगर फिर से 15,500 के नीचे अगर लेके आ जाते हैं, then 15,650 will become a solid resistance so that it won't be taken out before this expiry. If those people let today also be a bullish day, uptrending day अगर छोड़ देते हैं, then what's gonna happen is they have to run for cover, and वो लोग इस week 100% loss book करना ही पड़ेगा. So because of which today is the day where they might pull the market below 15,550 levels. So we did a good thing by exiting. So we took an exit at 10:10. 5 मिनट पहले हमने exit लिया है, and now these puts are spiking a bit way too hard. काफी ज्यादा put spike up हो रहा है and we are looking at a profit booking. तो मैं कल से मैं बोल रहा था कि profit booking आएगा, but of course like you can't time exactly when the profit booking might come. हो सकता है कि ये भी मतलब immediately this dip also might get bought. I am following my risk management. मेरा जो risk management है उसको मैं follow कर रहा हूँ. Yes, at some point of time we were at somewhere around 5,000-6,000, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't mean shit. ठीक है? as long as you book your profits, close your trades and turn off your trading terminal, till then वो जो profits यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, they are not yours. And yeah, if at all I take any further positions, I'll keep you guys updated, or else I'll give an update at the end of the day. अगर positions लिया तो भी update दूंगा, अगर नहीं लिया तो भी मैं I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, the time is close to 12 and still not finding any good opportunity to trade this market, because you know, in terms of the margin blocked, and in terms of the amount we are making, and in terms of the efforts that we put to manage our position to make it delta neutral, is not worth it, right? So I'll be shifting more and more to positional, unless dude, I think this is the time where the trading community as a whole should come together to do something about this margin rules. Okay, I've been very vocal about how this margin rule is absolutely stupid, and and I'm not scared to call it stupid. Okay, be it SEBI, be it whoever. Like if something is stupid, it is stupid. ठीक है, जहां पे मतलब बाकी सारे जगह पे मतलब क्रिप्टो में मतलब जब लोग पैसे छाप रहे थे इंडिया में, वो रेगुलेशन ही लेके नहीं आए, एंड नाउ यहाँ पे मार्जिन भी रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं. वेयर द फक इज सेबी हेडिंग? लेट्स सी गाइस, लेट्स सी. तो आई थिंक सेबी इज सेंसिबल एनफ टू कंसिडर द रिक्वेस्ट एंड लुक एट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. ठीक है, अपना मतलब ख्याली हवा में मतलब बातें करके, हवा में मतलब पेपर पे मतलब सब कुछ फॉर्मूला लगा के ऐसे ऐसे होगा, ऐसे ऐसे होगा, ऐसे नहीं चलता है. लाइक पीपल, they have to come to the ground reality. They have to see what's happening in the ground. They have to see like what effect it's happening on the trading real time. End of day का डेटा देख के कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है ना. लाइक इंट्राडे में क्या हो रहा है उसको देखना पड़ता है. सेबी को ग्राउंड रियलिटी डेफिनेटली देखना पड़ता है. एंड आई एम श्योर कि अगर सेबी का ये रूल आ भी जाएगी, then also I'm sure that within 2 or 3 months market's going to face a lot of problems, which not only affects the traders but will also affect the investors. आप लोगों में से काफी सारे लोग ये भी बोल रहे थे कि हम सारे रिटेल ट्रेडर्स ट्रेडिंग बॉयकॉट करेंगे एंड ऑल दैट. yes, it is possible when we all can unite as one, and definitely ऐसा नहीं कि इसको ऐसे हम जाने देंगे, because it's unfair. ठीक है, it's unfair, it's illogical, it's irrational, it's stupid, it's regressive. alright, तो अगर हम लोग अभी चुप बैठ गए ना, then we are creating a pretext that भाई हमारे ऊपर कोई भी रूल ठोक दो हम मान लेंगे. we'll give them an idea that we are just the dumb citizens, and whatever rule you impose on us we'll just blindly accept. So yeah, definitely it's a bad thing, especially in a democracy. So we'll voice our concerns, we'll bring out the loopholes, and we'll try our level best to get the margin back. But let's not do anything in haste. सबके लिए टाइम है. टाइमिंग देख के, जैसे हम टाइमिंग देख के ट्रेड में एंट्री लेते हैं, वैसे ही टाइमिंग देख के कोई चीज को करना पड़ता है. Coming back to the trades, I didn't find any opportunities. The market is in a profit booking mode. काफी ज़्यादा profit booking आ रही है. I'm not sure like how the market's gonna behave after lunch. Definitely the risk reward is not in our favor to keep adjusting for the delta moves, and keep adjusting for the IV spikes and take the slippages and all those things. So the risk reward is definitely not in our favor. And all that being said and done, so the positional trade is doing quite well, and आज के लिए it's just 675 rupees, just peanuts. And on Bank Nifty account haven't taken any trade, कुछ trade नहीं लिया मैंने. And but the positional trade is doing pretty well, so it has given more than 2.5% of the block margin. अगर मैं दिखाऊं तो block margin is somewhere around 8.3 lakhs. तो 20k के ऊपर दिया है, minus the 675 bucks. So 20k is something around 2.5%, something more than 2.5%. So the thing is, once today's high is taken out, only then any adjustment needs to be looked into. I'm not 100% sure कि if the day's high gets breached, I need to do an adjustment or not. That completely depends on how fast these calls start spiking up. उसके ऊपर ही depend करता है. Until then, I don't think there is any need to adjust this position. So yeah, guys, I'm not taking any further trades today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. देखेंगे क्या होता है. So can we expect any news on this margin rule by the day end? I'm not sure. सेबी तो एक केस के ऊपर 5-6 साल बैठता है. So I'm not sure if SEBI even, I don't know, like I don't mean to come off hopeless, but sadly that's the state of affairs right now. We can only hope for the best, and as I said, timing देख के we'll start voicing our concerns. And yes, Twitter पे जितना हो सके उतना hashtag use करो, SEBI bring back margin. Come on guys, like accept the fact that this is what we love doing, right? We love doing this day in and day out, and if someone is
putting us in a state of great disadvantage in something what we love, it's not smart enough for us to just sit mum, right? Like we have to voice our concerns and we'll do that. बट आपका पार्ट जितना है उतना आप भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? तो आज तो ट्रेड से ज्यादा मतलब बाकी सारा बकचोदी हो गया, बट that's what the market is making us do, correct? And so yeah guys, so that's the day. This position continues to be held and it's up by 2.5%, and on an intraday basis we are break even. So I'll see you guys tomorrow and let's hope for the best. Thank you.